Hi, my name is Shine Beho, and welcome to my channel where we talk about skincare and of course lifestyle. So today's content is all about skincare, and we're going to be working on some skincare reviews. Today we're going to be talking about sleep mask. A lot of people have been asking, okay, sleep mask, what is the difference between a sleep mask and a moisturizer? Can you use both of them in the same routine at night, like after your moisturizer, and then you put on your sleep mask just like a sunscreen during the day? Or you skip the moisturizer and go straight to the sleep mask? Now, there's so many questions all about sleep mask, and we're going to sort them all out today. So if you have not subscribed, if you have not shared, and if you have not liked this video right now, you're breaking my heart. So please go straight and do it. We're going to be talking a lot about sleep mask, and then I tell you my favorite sleep mask and why. Hi, so welcome back, right? Thank you for being patient. All right, so let's go right into it. First of all, the question is, what is a sleep mask? Now, you need to understand what a sleep mask is before we go straight into, what we are talking about. So what is a sleep mask? Now, other brands may call it sleeping mask or overnight mask. They're all the same thing. So when you see overnight mask, it means a sleeping mask. When you see sleep mask, it means a sleeping mask. And when you see sleeping mask, it's the same thing. Or you see sleep pack or sleeping pack. It's all the same thing, sleep mask. That's just a general term. So when you see sleep pack or sleeping pack, or you see sleep mask or sleeping mask, or overnight mask or overnight cream, it's all the same thing. All right. So first of all, I'll let you know that sleep mask originated from Korea. Now you see why I love that country. Like, they always originate something, and it's always really cool. Now, these are things that they use. If you're a lover of K-drama like me, you know what I'm talking about. Like, the actors and the actresses are all looking so prim and proper. Their skin is flawless. It's just amazing, and you're like, wow, like, it's so watery, it's so glassy, so these are things that they use to achieve that kind of skin.
감사합니다.
Now you know that sleep mask is originated from Korea. Now let's find out, what is a sleep mask? It's used to provide moisture and nutrients to the skin while you sleep. Now, the cool thing about sleep mask is that it works very, very fast. So imagine you sleeping, having a good night's sleep, and your skin is just working, to make sure you have that feel good. In the morning when you see your skin, you're like, oh my gosh.
Damn, girl, you look good today.
So basically, that is what a sleep mask does. It just, works on your skin while you sleep. And they come in different forms. It could be a cool gel type form. It could be a soft cream-like form. It could also be a light cool-like form. So whatever it is, it comes in various ways, and which is also really awesome. Some brands can, work it up in a tube, some in a jar, like a huge kind of, like you say, 100 ml sleep mask. I think the highest that I have seen is 80 ml. So from 80 ml, 60 ml, 50 ml is like the highest. A lot of brands, majority of the brands, they go for 50 ml. So yeah. So now the question is, can sleep mask be used every day? Now, according to skincare experts, it is a yes, it can be used every day. But also, you have to take note that too much of everything is bad. Meaning, you should use sleep mask moderately, because you know how it is when they say when something is too much, it starts to backfire.
Take it outside, Lois.
Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want anything backfiring on us. You have to use it moderately, preferably tailored to your skin. And that way you should be able to, know how to use these things moderately. Okay, now for all my oily skin girlies, acne skin girlies, and sensitive skin girlies,
Pay attention and take notes.
it's always best to use it at least twice a week. You can also use it once if you want to, so 1 to 2 times a week is fine.
Really?
And then to my dry skin girlies, hey, you can actually use it say 3 times a week because you need more of that moisture and hydration. So yes, me personally, I've used a different sleep mask and I enjoy using it. So I usually use it 2 to 3 times a week, and I am oily sensitive. That's my skin. Yeah, 2 to 3 times a week, but I think maybe twice a week though. That's how I use mine, and I'll tell you how to layer it. So yeah, so just keep on watching. So is a sleep mask and a moisturizer the same thing? Definitely not. Definitely not. All the difference is that a sleep mask is highly concentrated in active ingredients, so it is extremely active, and that's why it also works overnight quickly. A moisturizer is actually formulated for daily use, okay, and the actives are not as high, or the concentration is not as high as a sleep mask. So definitely they're not the same thing. Yep. So here's the question that a lot of people have been asking. So how do I layer my sleep mask? Do I use a moisturizer before my sleep mask? Or do I use a moisturizer and a sleep mask in the same routine? Or do I use only a sleep mask? Now, the best way is to use only a sleep mask. There's no need to wear a moisturizer and then use a sleep mask on top of it. No. So once you're done with your, washing your face, doing all the necessary steps, putting on your serums and everything that you need to do, you can skip the moisturizer. The moisturizer is the last step of your routine at night. So you can skip the moisturizer and go straight to your sleep mask. Okay, and then the next morning, you wash it off as usual and continue with your usual routine. Now, don't forget, because it is highly concentrated, it is actually really best to use it on some certain days, but not daily. Yeah. You do your normal routines, put on your sleep mask, and you're good to go. So the days you're going to be using your sleep mask, you can skip the moisturizer. And the days that you're not using your sleep mask, you just go on with your moisturizer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so I'm going to tell you my favorite mask, and I'll be rating them and maybe just give you a little bit of a mini review. So I'm just going to go from my list to my favorite. Let's put it that way. So we're going to start up with this one. So this is from the brand CosRx. It is the Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. Now it's got honey extract, and they say it's got butylene glycol, royal jelly extract, 1-2 hexanedoyl.
Look at this.
Yeah. After rinsing and toning, apply evenly on the face, leave on overnight, and rinse off in the morning. So basically, this was actually really moisturizing, and it comes out like in a gel kind of form. And yeah, a gel type of form. And if you actually enjoy CosRx, then it's not bad. It's not my favorite, but it actually did the work that it was supposed to do. We go to the second one from TM. It is the Snail and Azulene Sleep Mask. Now, the Snail and Azulene Sleep Mask, it is what, 80 ml. Earlier on I told you that some brands make it bigger, but I don't think I've ever seen 100 ml sleep mask. So yeah, what's the size for this one? The CosRx size, hold on, 60 ml. Yeah. Anyways, so let's go back to TM. Yeah, the TM Snail and Azulene Sleep Mask. Now, this one has snail secretion filtrate, which is at 81.5%, and it also has azulene, and it relieves redness and suits sensitive skin. So this is not a gel type form, so if you're a sensitive skin girly, acne skin girly, I think this is also cool for you. It's soft. It's light. and which is not bad at all. So if I was going to rate this, of course, you know, the COSRX was my list, so I would give the COSRX a 3-star. Yeah, I'll give it a 3-star. It was just there. But this I would give it a 3.5. And then goes up to one of my favorite, and this one is from Sewn by Me. Of course, this is already empty. I use it a lot, which is amazing, and I decided to, you know, try something else, which is also amazing. I'll show you that product real soon. Now, so this is from Sewn by Me. It is the usual Niacin 30 days miracle brightening sleep mask. Okay, and what it's got usual extract of 70.5, and then it's got niacinamide. The niacinamide is 5%, and as you all know, that niacinamide in skincare is absolutely amazing. I always look forward to products that has niacinamides in them, just because sometimes I might also be lazy to use a niacinamide serum, and so when I find out that my moisturizer got niacinamide in it, I'm like, yeah, this I put in some niacinamide today, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it's a 60 ml jar. And now the packaging has changed. So if you see this, but in a different look, it is still the same thing. The packaging has changed. Okay, so before you think, oh my gosh, I might be getting something that is not original. No. If you see this, it's Sewn by Me, right? But they've got a new packaging. So, you know, a lot of stores will try to sell out their old stock before they get in the new ones. So yeah, so even if you see this in a store, you know, you can still buy it. So this I give 4-star. Actually, I give it my 4-star because I love the texture. It is so smooth on the skin, very hydrating, easily absorbs, and I like the fact that it is very, very soft. Like when you touch it, it is soft to touch. Yes. I believe that all skin types will definitely enjoy this one. So if you are an oily skin girly, you're sensitive skin girly, you're dry skin girly, and you have acne, I think this will do great for all skin types. And it is also brightening because of the usual ingredients in it. So you know how usual is, it's the usual fruit. It's just like how you have the oranges and you have your limes and your lemons, but this is usual, and the vitamin C in it is actually higher than that of oranges and lemons and limes, if you know what I mean. So it is really, really, really highly concentrated. So please, if you're going to use this, remember not to use it every day. And I guess that's why they all come in small packages, because I mean, you're not using it every day, but some people might. But remember, too much of everything, it's not good. So yes, this goes 4-star, and I highly, 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 highly recommend this product. Now we're going to move on to mine number 1. Now this product I am giving 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars. You know, it's not easy getting a 5-star, but this I give it a 5-star. It also has got usual in it, and it is a brand that a lot of people have not heard of. You know me, I'm always looking forward to using new brands. You know, brands that are always not that popular. You all know that TM, especially in this part of the world, TM, COSRX, and yeah, Sewn by Me are somewhat very popular, you know. But this brand, have you heard of this brand? Patchholic. Nah, you haven't. So this comes in a 70 ml ice cream jar. Ice cream. Ice cream. You just want to lick it out. So yes, so this is from the brand Patchholic, you know, and a lot of people don't know about this brand. So this is one of the reasons I opened up this channel also, because I'll be taking you through various skincare products and brands that you have also not heard of, and I want you to get used to it. So this, like they say, is a brightening sleep mask. It says it is a sleeping pack that contains citron extract rich in vitamin C to help recharge tired skin with vitality and providing brightening effects. And this is what I am actually using currently. It helps to brighten your skin and also, you know, anti-wrinkle effect. So if you're having those fine lines, wrinkles coming through on your face, you know, because, you know, you might be getting old, or not. It's actually great for those. So it's got 2% of niacinamide, and it's got citrus janus fruit extract, and it's got citrus janus peel powder. So this is a patchouli yuja brightening sleeping mask. Okay, so I love this, even though it has a lower concentration of niacinamide, but it also has like a really high concentration of the usual fruit. So it's really not too different from the Some by Me one. But what I love about this is the texture is amazing. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so cute. At first, when I first got this, I was like, oh, what the hell? But you just have to, it's so cool. Yay! Now, what I like about this, the texture, is that it is very hydrating, extremely hydrating and moisturizing. And it's got some granules, like soft granules inside. It feels somewhat like scrub-like, but no, not scrub. Now, when you put it on your skin, I love just a little goes a long way. I just love the way it just spreads out. So a thin amount is just okay for your skin. It spreads out and it's just totally amazing. So guys, now you know what I'm talking about. So if you decide that you want to go into sleep mask, then you can try any of these ones. If you want to suggest anyone for me, then you can actually go to the comment section below and tell me which one you would like me to try and give it my ratings. Okay, thank you for staying tuned on the channel. I love you so much. I will be putting out links on how to get these products down below if you're interested. So thank you so much, and I love you, and let's do this again next time. One love. Now please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, we're still going to be talking skincare, and you know what, it's just amazing that we're going to be doing the skincare journey together. So let me know what sleep mask that you're using and which one you would like to try. Bye. Thanks for watching. Okay, now bye bye then.